Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to customize your ringtone in this Realme 6 Pro. If you are new in this channel, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more tech videos. So friends, let's get started. For this, go to settings, then tap on sound and vibration. Then scroll down. Here you can see the option ringtone. Tap on it. So here you can see lots of inbuilt ringtone and message tone also. If you want to customize your ringtone, on the top here you can see the option select from file. Tap on it. If you have any ringtone downloaded to your phone, you can see all the ringtones from here. Select the ringtone that you want to set as ringtone. Then go back. So it will assign to your ringtone. So hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this one, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more updates. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.